Hey, you guys want to know the Dollar Tree items that we use in our camper bathroom? Stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm Carrie. Welcome to the Art of RVing. It's kind of a tongue twister. If you're new to our channel, thanks so much for watching. And if you're a returning viewer, we appreciate you guys so much. If you're new, okay. Welcome to the Art of RVing. I'm Carrie. If you are new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button. We appreciate it. And there's a little bell next to it. And then if you hit that bell, YouTube will let you know when we upload new videos.
Ring a ding.
If you are a returning subscriber, viewer, thanks so much. We appreciate you guys. We are on Instagram, so hit us up over there, see what's going on. So these are some Dollar Tree items that we use in our camper bathroom. Yep. So just FYI, you might find some useful information.
And we have a little bathroom.
It is tiny.
Tiny.
Yes.
We need tiny things.
Hey, but we're glad to have it.
Oh, we are.
The one we had before didn't have a sink, and this one is so nice.
Oh, better.
And we look at them, and they have the, I don't know, that's just not us.
Yeah.
We need a bathroom.
Need it.
Travel size products. So we have got just shaving cream, deodorant. Mm-hmm. These are just, you know, you get them at the Dollar Tree. It's just nice to have in here so you don't have to take the full size product. That's nice to have.
And they're cheap.
And they're $1.
Right.
Yeah, actually you probably get a bigger size cheaper sometimes. It's not the cheapness for those, it's just that they're small. These are some disinfecting wipes that I found at the Dollar Tree. You could get the this Clorox brand. You could get the I forgot what it's called, Dollar Tree brand. Anyway, the Good and Clean, I think it's called. But it's just easy. There's 15 in here. I can just wipe things down, super easy, not have to pull out the paper towel and the spick and span and all that. So I just keep these tucked away under the sink to clean the bathroom. This is like a little travel pack you can get at Dollar Tree. There's 3 little bottles in here, and anytime you can put, like, you know, your shampoo, body wash, conditioner, stuff like that in here, it's just gonna weigh less and take up less room, and that's the whole goal with the camper. You guys know that. So I just refill them when we get home. And Mark's making me laugh again. Anyway, that's obvious. This is just soap from the Dollar Tree.
That's $1?
This is $1.
Wow.
You can find it cheaper sometimes, Walmart, catch a sale or whatever, but it's from the Dollar Tree. It's a name brand, and we keep this in the bathroom.
You like the name brands?
I do like name brands.
Yeah.
I like to have doubles of some things. Like I have a brush in the house. I have a brush in the camper. And this is from the Dollar Tree. It's just kind of cute. Look at the cute little handle. You can tell I use it. This is the moisture eliminators.
Yep.
What's it called? Moisture eliminator with charcoal. It traps excess moisture, eliminates tough odor, and prevents water damage.
It works.
These are awesome. You just take off the little black plastic thing on top, and then pull this back, and you leave this part, put the lid back on, and I just tuck it under the sink to collect moisture.
And that thing will be full of water.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Full of water.
It helps a lot, and it's $1. These are more expensive at Walmart for sure, so $1's a good deal for that. I found these over the summer, these little reusable bags at the Dollar Tree. Do you like that?
Flamingo.
And pineapples.
I like it.
But they're really like thick plastic. So I just keep, I should have opened this beforehand. Hi, Oscar. How are you? I just keep like extras in there, like razor cartridges, hand sanitizer, little sample size face wash. You know, it's just nice and thick. And they're cute.
Yeah.
I don't know if they have those still at the Dollar Tree, but they came, I think, in a package of like 3 or 4. They were on an end cap over the summer. This, and you know this is one of our favorite Dollar Tree items just from watching other videos. Oh, and by the way, we have 2 more. We have a kitchen edition, a camper kitchen edition that we'll link below, and then we have just camping supplies in general that we'll link below.
Dollar Tree.
Yeah, I'm sorry, yeah, all Dollar Tree. Right. And leave comments and let me know. I'm by no means a pro at all this. I just kind of find what works for us, but I'm open for suggestions.
She watches them every day.
I do watch them every day.
Videos.
But not always about the camper Dollar Tree. A lot of times it's stickers and just candles and random stuff I don't need. Okay. Anyway, back to what I was saying, these baskets are awesome. And this is like a thin size. It fits right under the sink. There's not much room under there because there's plumbing and like a weird little shelf. Mark can show you that in a little bit. So I just put extra stuff in here. Some of it's from the Dollar Tree, some of it's not. Just extra, like, I don't know how good these are. Probably cut my leg, extra soap, whatever. One more thing, I think this is the last thing, just a scrunchie, obviously. I mean, it's from the Dollar Tree, it's a good deal. And I have one in the camper and one in the house. So I think that's pretty much all. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hit the like button, please. That helps us. And like I said, leave comments below and let us know if you have any questions or if you have other things that you use from the Dollar Tree in your bathrooms. Thanks a bunch. Bye.